Here we go. Arm your quads. Live on the tone. Less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost 5 wide through our Collegiate Drone Racing Championship. Start and finish gate. Highest seed in this one is Millennial Falcon, but I don't see him moving right now. So heat 2, not one to write home about, but at least it's your best round, so he's still going to sit solid in 4th. Once one of these other pilots pushes it, we have 2 more in the top 16, Marotzke and Jake T. Jake T also on the ground. Marotzke, your leader. Infinite FPV is 2 gates back from him. And Joe Cool is about 3 gates back from them, I believe. No, I had it backwards. Joe Cool, your leader, 48.3. Then Marotzke with a 54.2 in the number 2 spot, 5.8 seconds back. Then 3 seconds behind him, Infinite FPV, 1, 2, 3. Joe Cool having a session here in round number 2. And there's that announcer, Jinx. Just as I say that, up the tower he goes, and he's going to be crashed out. Started with 5 quads in the air. We're down to 3. Back with Marotzke in the lead. He's chicaning through the carousel step-down gate. Lining up on the gate just after the hurdle. Start finish gate. 20 seconds still to go, so we get on to lap number 3 for Marotzke. Representing the University of North Dakota. Get on to lap 2 for Jake T. And 3, 2, 1. This one's done. It's a checkered flag when you go through our start-finish gate. Finish up the lap that you are on. Up and over the hurdle. Doing a yaw, lining up on that elevated gate each and every time, but it's going to work. Here comes Marotzke to get his 3rd lap in. It'll be 3 laps in 2 minutes 25, and that is going to move him up into the number 9 spot. That's up a peg. And 3 laps, 2 minutes 25. He just took about 12 seconds off his first round time. 2 to finish. Here comes Jake T from our left to right to our start-finish gate. Jake T, Infinite FPV. And here comes Jake T. There we go. 3 laps in 2 minutes 51 for Infinite FPV. That's going to move him up in the number 12 spot. 2 laps for Jake T, and not as strong as his earlier effort. Now heat number 6.